Hey Plums, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jaynnifa. You all are welcome to this channel. Please like, share and subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to be painting and transforming this toenail. I know I used red the last time. I'll also be using red this time around. It's not like red is the only color I have, but that's what she wants. So I'm going to be using a cuticle remover to remove the dead skin around this toe. So that's what I'll be doing first. So for the next step, I'm going to be using a file to file the toenails to perfection. You want to make sure it's really smooth and all. Next step, I'm going to be using the same cuticle remover to push down the cuticle so that when I'm applying the nail polish, it's going to look even. You get, just push it down a little bit. Don't just take it easy while doing this, so you won't hurt your clients or your customer or yourself. You get. For the next step, I'm going to be using a nail polish remover to wipe the surface of the nail. This is to leave a clean base for me to apply the nail polish, okay? Next step, I'm going to be using this nail hardener as a base coat. So I'm going to apply it all over on the nails, on the toenail. I'm going to apply it on all the toenail, just one coating. So this is the shade of red we're going to be using. I don't know whether this is called tomato red or be blood red, but whichever one it is, I'm going to apply it on the toenail. I'm going to double coat this particular one so the nail polish will last long. So for the last and final step, I'm going to go in again with the nail hardener I used as a base coat, so to give it that glossy look. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.